Most small businesses do not lose leads because their service is bad. They lose leads because they respond too slowly. Someone fills out a form. Someone asks for a quote. Someone sends a message after business hours. And by the time the business owner finally replies, that customer has already contacted 2 or 3 competitors. So in this video, I'm going to build a simple artificial intelligence lead follow-up system for a small business. The goal is simple. When a new lead comes in, the system saves the lead into a spreadsheet, writes a professional follow-up message, and helps the business reply faster. This is the kind of back-office system that a contractor, realtor, cleaning company, salon, gym, or local service business could use to stop losing easy opportunities. And the best part is, you do not need to be technical to understand how it works. This is the AI back office, where I build simple artificial intelligence systems for small businesses. Let's get into it. First, here's the problem we are solving. Most small businesses have a lead process that looks like this. A customer fills out a form. The message lands in an inbox. The owner is busy on a job with a client, driving, or doing something else. A few hours go by. Then the owner finally opens the message and has to figure out what to say. That delay costs money. Not because the customer was not interested, but because the business did not respond while the customer was ready to buy. So the system I'm building today has 3 jobs. Job number 1, collect the lead information. Job number 2, store the lead in one clean place. Job number 3, create a professional follow-up message that can be sent quickly. For this example, I'm going to use a fake local business called Blue Line Roofing. Imagine someone fills out a form asking for a roof repair estimate. They give their name, phone number, email, service needed, and a short message. Instead of that information getting lost, the system will organize it and create a ready-to-send reply. Before I build the system, I want to show you the finished idea. A new lead comes in. The name is saved. The contact information is saved. The service request is saved. Then artificial intelligence writes a follow-up message that sounds professional, helpful, and specific to that customer. Something like this. Hi, Sarah. Thanks for reaching out to Blue Line Roofing. I saw that you're looking for help with a roof leak near the garage. We would be happy to take a look and help you figure out the next step. What day this week would be best for a quick estimate? That message is simple, but it is fast, personal, and useful. That is what small businesses need. They do not need complicated technology. They need systems that save time and help them respond faster. Now let's build the first part. I'm starting with a simple lead form. This can be a website form, a Google form, a landing page form, or any tool the business already uses. For this example, the form asks for the customer's name, phone number, email, the service they need, and a short message. The important thing is not the form itself. The important thing is that every lead enters the same process. That keeps the business organized. Next, I'm connecting the form to a spreadsheet. This spreadsheet becomes the business's basic lead tracker. It does not need to be fancy. The columns are name, phone number, email, service needed, customer message, lead status, artificial intelligence follow-up message, and date received. This gives the business one place to see every new lead. No digging through emails, no searching through text messages, no forgetting who contacted you yesterday, just one clean lead list. Now we add the artificial intelligence step. The artificial intelligence needs clear instructions. If the prompt is too vague, the message will sound generic. So instead of saying, write a follow-up message, we give it a specific job. Here's the basic prompt structure. You are an assistant for local service business. Write a short professional follow-up message to a new lead. Use the customer's name. Mention the service they asked about. Sound helpful and natural. Ask one simple question to move the conversation forward. Keep the message under 100 words. That prompt gives the artificial intelligence boundaries. It tells the system who it is helping, what tone to use, what information to include, and how long the message should be. Now, the 2 main tools powering this system are Make and ChatGPT. Make is the automation tool. It is what connects the email inbox, the spreadsheet, and the follow-up process together. ChatGPT is the writing and thinking step. It reads the customer message, understands what the person is asking for, and helps create a professional response. So the system is not complicated. The email comes in. Make catches the email. Then ChatGPT writes the follow-up message. Finally, Make saves the lead into the spreadsheet and prepares the response. For a real business, I would usually start by creating a draft instead of automatically sending the message. That way the owner can quickly review it before anything goes out to the customer. This keeps the system fast, but still safe and professional. This is one of the biggest mistakes people make with artificial intelligence. They expect a good output without giving the system a clear job. A good artificial intelligence system is not just about the tool. It is about the process you build around the tool. Now I'm going to test the system with a fake lead. The customer name is Sarah Johnson. The service is roof repair. The message says, "I noticed a leak near my garage after the storm last night. I'm looking for someone to inspect it this week." Now the system takes that information and creates the follow-up. The message should not sound robotic. It should sound like something a real business owner would actually send. This is the difference between bad automation and useful automation. Bad automation feels cold. Useful automation feels like a faster version of what the business already wanted to say. Now we have a basic working system. A lead comes in, the lead gets saved. The follow-up message gets written. The business owner can review it, copy it, and send it. Or later, the system could be upgraded to send the message automatically. But I actually recommend starting with review first. That way, the business owner stays in control while still saving time. Once the system is working and the messages look good, then automation can be increased. This is how I would use this in a real small business. For a contractor, it could respond to estimate requests. For a realtor, it could respond to buyer or seller inquiries. For a salon, it could respond to appointment questions. For a gym, it could respond to membership leads. For a cleaning business, it could respond to quote requests. The exact business does not matter. The process is the same. New lead comes in. Information gets organized. Artificial intelligence helps write the response. The business replies faster. That is the system. Now, here's why this matters. Speed matters when someone is ready to buy. If a customer contacts 3 businesses, the first helpful response usually has the advantage. A small business does not need a giant software setup to improve this. A simple lead tracker and a simple artificial intelligence follow-up system can make the business look more professional almost immediately. And for a busy owner, that can save time every single week. This is the type of artificial intelligence system I think more small businesses should actually care about. Not random tools, not hype, not complicated dashboards, just simple back-office systems that help with real business tasks. Leads, follow-ups, scheduling, reviews, emails, invoices, customer messages. That is where artificial intelligence can become useful fast. In the next video, I'll build another simple system that helps a business follow up with missed calls and old leads. If you want to copy this setup, I'll put a free starter checklist in the description. And if you want more simple artificial intelligence systems like this, subscribe to the AI Back Office today.